Blay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Ki pulit ke is khas hills la khot hajeri utrai yeng but you contractor hadien ke jingkhlad jong sangut kinong bela ha po ka pung Lapalang. Kabla subajur bakadai nama ke jing Shah ring mensim ya katdem na u generator kat bagadang pendon kaman pomno e ka na kapung. Habakren shkilat pothai khubor us pretendent of police SP ke is khas hills uba Vivek sim ulong baki pulit kila register case persha ya ki bedon kti benta halor ka jingbam shimkhia kabla lam shakani ka jingjia ka basngosi kadai ka jingjia ka basngosi ba ka ba hadu sangut kibriu kla du no elai ka jingim hapo ka pung karkum ka jingyo lum jingte baningkong kila yam namar ka jingring mensim ya kala erbi ngila register case hapo ka section 106 jong ka BNSS halor ka jingbam shimkhia ka balam sha ka jingya ringkar ba ka section 50 but 51 jong ka disaster management act ong uba Vivek Wespi ula pentip bru bagi pulit kelakot hajar yu trying, uke hinge, bad yu contractor u MB na, ban pelong ya kejing tokin. Lakot hajar ki hapo ka section 33 jong ka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS. Ulo ong bagi pulit kidang up iki kaipot technical, bad forensic ban pentikna ya kadaw jong kejing jia. Syaban shim ya kanu karai pait ba. Hadu menta, om padan menuru bala syakem halor kani kejing jia. Kajing to okit kadang ya chakman ban lap ya kajing shisha bat ban bu jingkit kli iki badan binta la dalam bagadon kajing bambut iki kendon jingeda hakapor bapelong ya kakam.
An unfortunate one indeed, where 5 people died in a well, as you've seen that in the papers that they died of carbon monoxide poisoning. A case has been registered under 106 for negligence leading to death, and section 51 of the Natural Disaster Act, and the 2 people who actually have been implicated out here is the owner of the premises, Karlis Singh, and contractor Marshal Bina. They have been summoned today under 33 BSF BNSS, and they've been examined, statements recorded. This case investigation is on, and we are waiting for the opinions from different departments like pollution, water sources and all that, and to see if there's any negligence on the part of the owner and the contractor. And after we get these opinions from them, as they have already visited the spot on Saturday, then we will take a call as to how the fate of the case.
They have not been detained till now.
No, it's a case under 7 years. It's just a big issue.